This video is about how to transfer photos, videos, PDF or literally any files from iPhone Files app to your computer. Okay, first on your iPhone, open App Store and install Google Chrome. Now on your PC, open iTunes. If you didn't install iTunes on your PC means watch this video, link in the description. Now connect this end of the cable to the PC USB socket and other end to your iPhone Lightning port. Then tap Trust and enter the screen passcode if promoted. And here you can see the iPhone and iTunes start sync. Now here you can see this little phone like icon. Click that. Now click on File Sharing. Then here click Google Chrome. Then click on Add File. Now just select any one dummy image and click Open. Yeah. Now on your iPhone, open Files app. If you stored your files on iCloud Drive means open that. For me it's on my iPhone. Yeah. Now here you can see the Google Chrome folder. Now what you have to do means just move the files to the Google Chrome folder which are needs to transfer to PC. Now I just select the files. You can select photos, videos, PDF, anything. And if you want to copy, click this, or want to move files means tap this. Then here select the Chrome, then tap Move. Yeah. Now on your PC, just click this Sync option. Yes, here you can see all the moved files. Now just hold Ctrl and select all the files like this. Then click Save and choose the path you want to save this on PC. Then click Select Folder. Now the files are transferring. It's completed now. Now I am opening File Explorer. Yeah, here you can see all the files which are transferred from iPhone Files app to PC successfully. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.